already, so these aren't as new.
Okay.
But we still have them here, so you have your Maximus, Apex. I'm sure you already...
Yes, we already tested
familiar.
Encore.
Yeah. And then this one should have been available already.
It's available, but we didn't test it. We tested this one for sure.
Okay.
We have
you
also
know about our like Q release stuff, like so you can take out the graphic card easier.
Okay.
You just hold the button.
But
Because you know when the graphic card's so big, it's hard to reach. So that's
well,
why
with the
we put it in
4090s,
there.
it's
exactly,
impossible
right?
now.
With the big
with the
cooler.
back plates and everything.
Yeah.
Plus now you have like some,
Yeah, so M.2 cooler.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about this.
Okay, so this is more new over here.
This is new, okay.
Yeah. So this is our AIO cooler. So we added like a new screen, 2.1-inch screen.
Oh, that you can also,
Yeah,
okay.
so you can rotate it. You can do it also through software. And it's also removable too.
So this is an LCD screen.
Yeah, LCD
Okay.
screen.
You can display whatever you want on it.
Yeah, whatever you want, and I believe we upped the frame rate, so you can do 60 frames per second now.
Ooh.
And then, we also make a white version as well over here.
Okay, so this one is the
so
one
this
running.
One is
it's exactly the same one.
Exactly the same one, but we mounted it a little tight, so it's harder to, you can't pivot it, but
Okay.
you should be able to pivot just like this. But you know, we didn't give any slack.
So when it's off, you will always see the ROG sign, and when it's on,
I believe you can also change it to a different one.
Okay. And with the quick release.
So
Okay.
this one is similar thing, and this is also a key release. Really nice because like when you build a computer and you need to take out your graphic card, it's so easy to take out.
Okay, perfect.
And over here, this is our first water block over here. So we use the base of our AIO and then try to modify it from there.
So this is not released and is about to get released?
About to get released, yeah.
Okay,
So
because this is hard tubing, with hard tubes. So people are going to have to do their own hard tubes?
You can do hard tube or soft tubing.
Okay.
So it's our water block, so you can switch to either
So
one.
this is as well your water block?
This one, I don't believe. Oh, it is
Switch
our water
stuff.
block.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm still kind of new, so.
Okay.
Yeah, but I know this is new, and it has a fan built in the middle, so it can cool the VRMs and surrounding stuff like that.
Okay, LCD, oh yeah, I know this case.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So this as well is yours?
No, those are not. Just the water block and the motherboard. And
the water block?
Yeah, so the water block is the new thing.
Okay, all the fittings, all the rest?
Ours,
okay.
Yeah.
But
So
you want to do the LCD water block? Okay,
yeah, LCD
super.
water block is the newest thing here.
Okay.
And these are the super graphic cards.
Okay, those are coming very shortly.
Very, very shortly. So this is the 4070 version, and then right here we have
These
our
are
4090.
huge. This is just the 4070. Can we take them in our hands when you are trying?
Of course, of course.
Perfect.
It's all you. And so this is the most exciting part. This is the newest part. This is our BTF series. So it's called Back to the Future. But the main thing is like we hide all the connectors to the back of the motherboard.
Back. Okay.
Yeah. So even the graphic card, all the power is done through this. It's the graphic high power slot.
Yes.
So we're able to deliver.
So this is your special motherboard for BTF.
Special case, special motherboard.
Oh, the case as well. Okay.
Yeah. And we also work with other case manufacturers.
Yeah. I know it's not only
so
ASUS.
they support us now.
So we can open at the back to see that there is nothing?
There's something, but you can see it in the back, yeah.
Oh, yes,
So
very
you can see
interesting.
all the connectors are routed in the back, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And this one is actually exciting because you know how we had a Q release?
He wants to film just to have some B-roll. I'm sorry.
No, that's my fault. That's my fault. So another exciting feature, you know, we had the Q release button earlier. So this one is the Q release slim. So all you do, you take out the graphic card. You don't need to do the latch.
And how does it hold?
So since we have this, it adds additional stability, but we also still have a latch mechanism, but it's easier to release.
So you only have the screws on the side that will hold it, and the rest?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's strong enough to handle it.